Musro Jakpa, Obechemo. Jakpa, Obechu to see international. We share us international. No, to which you look at international. Okobokino Obecho. Obatogo Obecho. Jakpa, ono oye local crazy guy. Omusrono. It's Jakpa to make me proud. No, catch them. Omutminda. Everybody must say, Oya Deo, Jakpa Becho. Now you see the story. Debbie, I'm a catcher Ghana for say. We are not supposed to. You see, I like the way the President of the Republic, Mr. S, Mr. P, exactly 10 p.m. Ghana time, let me know, alert me on the system to switch to the Chief Justice story. I'm trying to clean the system before we get to that part. So I have 45 minutes to deal with what we have on the table now, Mr. P, Mr. S. Now, you see, Ofori Atta sues OSP again over wanted person tag. Now, the first question I want to ask myself and say, what made the special prosecutor decide to extend that period also Ofori Atta Ghana? Unless the special prosecutor is trying to save face, and I said the special prosecutor is playing on our conscience. Ofori Atta sued special prosecutor 2 times. Ofori Atta is a thief. He's not coming back to Ghana. It is better you put Ofori Atta on the wanted list. Send your beya, ya china near the national bottom near one near the naba. But the idea of you just coming to say you have given Ofori Atta 3 months, 4 months to live in Europe or in America to enjoy, whilst the taxpayer now Ofori Atta at the end of the day through his dealings in government, you have found evidence to say he has conducted himself in a wrong manner or stolen from the Ghanaian people. No, you have given Ofori Atta the room to go out there and fool himself. And can I say at this point, the suit coming from Ofori Atta, the special prosecutor should at this point immediately place Ofori Atta on the international wanted list of Ghana. They need to put Ofori Atta on a wanted list because Ofori Atta on Chayobia or Ghana, unless the special prosecutor is playing games with Ghanaians. And we will get to the bottom of it. Because I don't know why we have to wait for Jesus Christ to come before Ofori Atta decides when he wants to come to Ghana. Ofori Atta, per the special prosecutor, he has committed crimes. He is a criminal. He has done things that the special prosecutor believes that he needs to be put to court. He needs to be prosecuted. So why are we now giving Ofori Atta the room for Ofori Atta to decide when we, the taxpayer, when we can retrieve our money? Huh? When? Why should we wait and be like, yeah, Ofori Atta nakuma Tony Yema. So Ofori Atta has gotten that opportunity. Now Ofori Atta is rubbing it in our faces. Ofori Atta is technically telling us, he has stolen the money. From the evidence, the special prosecutor is telling us, original Swaka say, Ofori Atta should be on the wanted list. Ofori Atta is guilty about something. So why are we now making Ofori Atta dictate the pace? No country should entertain this nonsense. And the special prosecutor, I'm beginning to believe, say, he's just buying time for Ofori Atta. Because if you really want to catch Ofori Atta, you need to put him on the wanted list today. He has the audacity to go to court. You also have the audacity to make sure you summon him. If Ofori Atta has the audacity to do what? To go to court, he has the audacity to get a lawyer in Ghana to sue you, then we as citizens also have the right to put him on the wanted list for him to be questioned. Mr. John Dramani Mahama, this special prosecutor cannot be trusted. Sack him. Because if the special prosecutor really wants to be honest with Ghanaians, he will make sure Ofori Atta is on the wanted list now. Because every day he's filing court suits. He's filing suits. It's a lot of money. Every day Ofori Atta has lawyers going to court and filing against the OSP. So then it means Ofori Atta has the money. Ofori Atta at least has the brain because he has thought of the case. He is not as sick as we think. Ofori Atta is able to sit with his lawyers to deliberate on matters he thinks will favor him and instructed his lawyers to take action. Remember, Ofori Atta's lawyers are not working independently. They are taking instructions from Ofori Atta, meaning Ofori Atta is capable of sitting through a trial. Ofori Atta should be able to sit in front of the special prosecutor to answer questions. So if you, the special prosecutor, you think you can play on the conscience of Ghanaians and try to put something out there to protect your office for you to get more money to spend, then Mr. President, sack this fool, because he is just playing with Ghanaians. He is not ready to make sure Ofori Atta is brought home to questioned. Indeed, I would prefer the special prosecutor is sacked. Mr. President, sack this guy because he is not helping Ghanaians. Ofori Atta na oyare na ontumi nya hwe no de bi ono ne court ne lawyers trafon so at America decide plot plan hwe se ne ye ombesiu of special prosecutor. Now the question here is, what is Ofori Atta suing a special prosecutor for? For defamation. He's suing a special prosecutor for damages. So what stops you, the special prosecutor, from putting Ofori Atta on the wanted list? The OSP is corrupt. He's a liar. He needs to let us know what is stopping him from putting Ofori Atta on immediate wanted list. What is stopping this guy? The special prosecutor is working with Ofori Atta. Kevin Taylor cannot come to Ghana. Ofori Atta cannot come to Ghana. He is sick. He's not well. But he's able to sit with his lawyers to decide how the case should go, because every single thing you see in his suit, it was Ofori Atta who gave the green light before his lawyers put it out. So you want to tell me he doesn't have the brains to think, to make decisions, or to answer questions? The special prosecutor is a liar. Per this Ofori Atta issue, I am beginning to see that he wants to buy time for Ofori Atta. He wants to keep his office. He still wants to be the special prosecutor. He wants to use Ofori Atta's case basically as a small screen to lie to Ghanaians that he's working. Mr. President, I've told you, with all due respect to you, I respect you and I respect your office. I respect you because you respect Ghanaians. I never respected Otumfuo because he did not respect Ghanaians. I never respected the NDC, NPP vice president because he never respected Ghanaians. They were lying to us. They showed us a lot of disrespect. The reason why I respect you, Mr. President, is because you respect Ghanaians. I am respectfully telling you, the special prosecutor, you need to question him or you need to sack him because the guy is not working in our interests. Mr. President, we Ghanaians are very tolerant people. We have patience for everything. We take our time. We want to give you time to work. But when we see something and it's not right, we have the right to also talk about it. We believe, and as a Ghanaian, I've followed politics for years. And with all due respect, Mr. President, this special prosecutor should be sacked. He must be sacked. He has all the powers. Or 2 meaning in also overthrow Ofori Atta and now ordinary wanted list. So that gab no more Ofori Atta no. It was for Ofori Atta to buy time. Ofori Atta court twice. He is going to extend the time to come to Ghana. He's not coming. He is going to extend the time to like 4, 5, 7, 8 years, 10 years. And the special prosecutor is aiding Ofori Atta to do that. The special prosecutor should now, as a matter of fact, issue a statement tomorrow that Ofori Atta is on the wanted list. Because let me tell you, if we wanted to wait and I say a chain, ma Ofori Atta taking the time ever Ghana, now you're prosecuting now, Anka, we wouldn't need any statement for the special prosecutor. There is a reason why the special prosecutor puts a statement out to say this individual is wanted. The reason is that there is an urgency to it. So where is the urgency in this? If people can sit and tell you, I will come at my own will, give me 3 months, give me 4 months, then it means there's no urgency in what you are doing. But if you want Ofori Atta's issue to be different from any regular issue of corruption and that you want to prove to us, then there should be some urgency to what you are doing. Meaning, you need to put him on that wanted list so that there will be an urgency to what you are doing. For us to know that you are ready to make sure this guy comes in to answer questions. But you cannot sit there and say, I've placed this on him. Tomorrow, I've withdrawn it because Ofori Atta catch them say at his own time. Or the kwasi ayare. None in the padudu amdu kwasi ayare or Ghana. Court. There are so many people in Ghana. And also mobile court. Omo yare. And so by force you conform mobile court. Oma court. Judge Nbeka say he does not care. As we sit here, Ofori Atta is fit. The reason I'm saying he's fit is that we took court twice. Meaning he's capable. Mr. President, if this special prosecutor team, Mr. President, if this special prosecutor, Kisu Ejabeng, fails by tomorrow or Monday, he fails to release a statement and put Ofori Atta on the wanted list, on the Interpol list, sack the special prosecutor. Sack him. There's no urgency to his job. Ofori Atta's case is urgent. And into Ofori Atta to Mako court twice because it is urgent to him. The steps Ofori Atta is taking, he is taking urgent steps to stop the special prosecutor. So if the special prosecutor cannot take urgent steps, then sack that fool and get an intelligent person to fill that office. Because we cannot get somebody we are spending millions of dollars on every day, giving him everything, and then he decides. He dance to the tune of a suspect. No, the special prosecutor is not supposed to negotiate with a suspect. The special prosecutor is not supposed to be dancing to Ofori Atta's tune. The special prosecutor is supposed to be calling the shots. He is supposed to be calling the shots. He is supposed to be telling Ofori Atta, no, I need you here. But if today Ofori Atta kwasi ampe yin no mum na special prosecutor, the ono pe na otumi the special prosecutor asako eye court there, then why is this dumb idiot still in the office? There's a reason why there's a difference between special prosecutor's office and the CID office. The special prosecutor's office is above the CID office because we expect him to be able to drag people out of this jurisdiction back into Ghana to face the law. If he's not able to do that, then the CID office is better than the special prosecutor's office. Sack this idiot. In Kwasia Samna Kwasune too much. Mr. President, sack Kisia Jabin if by Monday he does not issue an arrest warrant for Ofori Atta. He is not able to put Ofori Atta on the Interpol wanted list. Sack the man. Nadia Ntini be OSP office. And I say what you man police bet my because the CID boss will just have to say, okay, may release a statement. By your statement, it comes with some sense of urgency. It won't mean for Jimmy Fro. Let's get people who can do the job. Now, this is another story we have to talk about. And the story is about cocaine. Minimum French, but since you say a bind society, John Mahama and NDC bar power. It's looking like Debia cocaine. MPP for cocaine on my pack good dem no. Debia chibi. Cocaine da menyon. As a cocaine so culture. As a cocaine da menyon. Cocaine so ebia a French as no air fufro. But so can organ ma. As a cocaine sama MPP di buy no. Enye cocaine papa. Enye cocaine. Cocaine da menyon. As a cocaine so. As a cocaine da menyon. As a cocaine so rasta. Nana do dan kweku for drug addict ni MPP for betena so. Omo paki cocaine wo Ghana et dem. And John Mahama betena so not more than 3 months. You do 3 months. Ye chi cocaine de bia. Dia be sini se mamem dwam na PZ for monte brofo a. Omumu boys libi. Omo sorry a red ni jantra for no mugu so omo bobra no. Omo ntiase. Mumu dodo omo nko school. E na mugu na nkwasiade. Na omo ntie. NIB intercept $350 million worth of cocaine en route to Accra from Western region. You see, National Investigation Bureau. Tana mo friend diamati. You see, no much cocaine and you cocaine wa. Cocaine tele. You the free you the free Eastern region, you the free Western region. You the conkrang. You got to wine. MPP4 ebetina so yenchi cocaine. A whole ship ebe doki watema. Cocaine ma ya pamu obi afritema. E mo sa to ship no koye MPP. Also and the MPP free so no cocaine deals, cocaine trafficking also and to me happen in Ghana because NDC for no they are not involved in these kind of things so they will stop it. Now under MPP normally say coke way almost start say Ghana better than cocaine the transit point. There were so many stories we saw. Yet to meet cocaine or Ghana and Akufo na dani konkonte J Akufo ya dear Benjamin J Akufo. Yet to meet cocaine mutele na dani konkonte Kufo ya no mako share cocaine no ewo ekurase no ase good drum ye ni momo. And in Kufo we free so this is the second time cocaine we transit. Ekufuado any BAWUMIA dani Ghana cocaine transit point. In fact, at a point, the international media and carry story we say Ghana has become the transit point when it comes to cocaine amount for air transport. Hey, at a point, na Colombia for na cocaine no ni some the fa Ghana and it will be Europe. It was so difficult for them to use other routes. The Adu-Boahene MPP government opened the doors for them. So Ghana became a transit point. And these people still think, say, Ghana is a transit point. And Intina, Omugin say, oh, the NDC government does not tolerate drug transit. And I would like to say thank you to NIB and also thank you to Keno Mante of Nakok. Keno way, ye know about Nakok ya, any 3 days, no cocaine. Hey, Keno way hard wati. Last but now catch him say, the day I heard said John Mahama, Keno Mante, as the head of Nakok, and I'm catching Ghana for say, your borders are safe. Men with integrity and know what they are doing. May say it will be hard for any drug trafficker to use Ghana as a transit point. When him coke, NPP for mu coke nie. Cocaine na omo air transit no ebi ka dem. And then they achi omo $350 million. And I believe in Nakok, led by General Mante and NIB, they will go on, they will investigate. And my almighty Jakpa is around. NPP for mu suro Jakpa wu. Hey Jakpa, they be no sre. Obechu tisia. Jakpa. Me say, MPP from Jakpa rough. And last we go who are no Metro TV. Good evening, Ghana. Na PBC pipe share hano. Akwebina PBC share hano. And they said I am driving alone. And they said they will catch this. And they will say, almost Jakpa rough. MPP, did it in Jakpa. Jakpa lo be show. Nature no. Hu nature na fum. Jakpa obechu tisia. Jakpa. Sa akwa no. Jai obechu uya he. Watch you. Jakpa rough. In the Debiano, Jakpa is a bad man. Jakpa is a bad man. He will make NDC unpopular. Jakpa, make NDC unpopular. I want you to make NDC unpopular. Jakpa, I Kevin Taylor. I want you to make NDC very unpopular. Chiomo, kwasiafo. Ya chimudia, he will make NDC unpopular. Me pesa Jakpa ma NDC unpopular. Chi kwasiafo we. Last na PBC pipe no. On say see no drugs na twa won ho pa. Paul Adumochre. On say see ojina hu drugs no. Aha. Me say one day ojina na nse tu. And you know, Ninsasa Shegelegi, Messi Paul Adumochre. On says you are dragging a kind of picture. Ojinawa, I said if you Sudan by Messi one day Ojina TV son and said two. Wa Bodra who do you and you know, and I saw, and you know this, and I heard good evening, Nani and Nimno. You see, the junkie now be him, and we don't understand. And you see, and they say, Bordeaux Chivio. Jakpa almost so Jakpa chaplain obechu sisia Jakpa hey Jakpa se se kura me no kase oye adwuma me no kase Jakpa ye adwuma anya se wadawo me no kase sisia opo bi ache no Jakpa otumi da no ani ato catch uda fro Jakpa yire na busa no otumi da no asori no kuta handcuff me those hey you Jakpa obechu fucking or a magnet or so dem go kuta handcuff Jakpa, the catching a chaplain. Or bet you MPP for Suroro. Jakpa is a bad man. Why is he flaunting the laws? Go to court in Ghana. Jakpa has flaunted the laws. He has entered somebody's house. Go to court. Jakpa, he will make NPP, NDC unpopular. We want to be unpopular. I want the NDC to be unpopular. Into Jakpa, Chiomu Yinagum. Jakpa no otumida, no TM. Hey, Bantima, or that no to play about Obechu. Obechu is here. Yasin go for because I'm Robbie Cocoon, Momo Vendabi. 10 minutes na Jakpa 13. Muni wo Kumasi Mumbusa. Jakpa dru Kumasi 10 minutes no 13 egum. Hey, come kwasiafo. Muti groma na Jimmy and na and mononom red. Jakpa, modie obechi mu nyina. Akwa na ogina Metro TV na why say shege light no. And I know. And then you bring go here. And the Chief Justice, and we don't even know. You see John Mahama and you see so akwa we drag beku. Paul Adumochre, and you know, and we don't know. You see the Chief Justice, and I don't even know what John Mahama is doing. And you see, and we don't even know the NPP. We did not do them here in Kwasia. O county didn't say Singarenga Lanes. A buofunu Musro Jakpa, Obechemo Jakpa, Obechu to see international. Who shall us international? ono tumi chi home echi local international nyina okọ Burkina obechew obatogo obechew jakpa ono oye local crazy guy omusiro no inti jakpa to make me proud no catch them Omutminda, they be say, Jakpa wants to arrest me. I drive one car and everybody knows my house. Latobia Kwashi, I stay there. Everybody must say, oh yeah, deo, Jakpa Becho. Jakpa is coming over to Fum and run over your meeting. And Obiko Chemu. Jakpa is coming over to Jakpa, Obecho, Kwasiafo, Mudikuta power, Mujizo be a Jimmy. Mukuta power, Mujizo be a Jimmy. And the Musro Bibi, Obechimunina. Jakpa, Rio, Afenyo did 3 months, calculating never. Jakpa chaplain no obetu tisia Afenyo di 3 months yen during post 7 na 3 months na say term over time bebre ultimate mark arrest ya no asaba Jakpa say or strategy bi otumi kwa no jai no adaka kakra no edin no reading newspapers no aye research kakra obo say mo edin be 2 weeks oh Jakpa is gone Jakpa dey obudu no otumi Jakpa tumi share ya ade bi otumi share na oh, besides, he came late. Oh, gentlemen, all right. Jakpa, otumisha no edin no akachire obia odini adwuma say I'm not around. I am in transit. I no actually to Kwan I so na Belgium oba na mu refi Jakpa. Into bo oba no edin no abehye dem na afi oyen research no check say obekọ Jakpa dem or the pins awo Jakpa okọ dem ha or be board bi wo ho both or the pin awom and the oye de obechew. Or say or deeper 68 or do nyina board no so and we connect or international investigator into what I say Munto mo ha mo so refi so Jakpa is gone Jakpa is also say just Jakpa is gone Jakpa is not gone Jakpa is around Jakpa that mean he's around he's not gone no Jakpa is still around into just oh he's gone Jakpa the denominator Jakpa the Italian mafia Jakpa the killer Jakpa the chaplain obecho Obechimu nyina gum. In the say no so nyina edin. Oh, Jakpa is gone. Oh. Thank you. Yes, okay. Jakpa is coming. Kwasiafo musumo to me. Jakpa catch them. They also on tia say onko court. Normal court in Chiwuntum. Mr. Jakpa, they all see wo bu mraso a we ni mraso no. Court wo ho bebre, your appeals court, your supreme court, your DND court, your tribunal onko ho. Jakpalization will jakpalize you. He is going to Jakpala-dantralize you. Jakpala-dantralize. Jakpa no to me ko ashawola joint nyina. MPP forum ko ashawo joint no. Jakpa adema Jakpa dangerous. But make sure Jakpa any secret nyina. Ashawo forum mo town nyina Jakpa ni mo nyina. Odo mo contract. And na omo mo di bone no nyina omo mo nyina sensan krata. Inti ashawo fo nyina ye snitch. Jakpa hado. Inti uko ashawo fo na omo di bone Jakpa chi omo nyina no. Omo mo nyina sign bond. Inti omo nyina ye adwuma ma no. Boys na omna nam town na mo ginse omo bobo dan ko she omo nyina ai cheche omo nyina ye informants enti Jakpa nkora nko a boys na aya na mo from a no ma be security amamo ne adade omo nyina Jakpa nkora boys na aya na omo be move sika no mamo no sa boys na mo be fa we nkwa ha ye so kwa achema ahemfie bi wo ho Ofori Atta ko park sika gum ye de video be kire mo ya di ne ye hwe mo sa ebu akwa ahemfie area ho ye se ahemfie bi wo ho Ofori Atta ma lordu sika gum bam bandan moje enim yenim ni nyina samunim sam diska ko hye bank ya behu munim sam de hye mufia behu mo diska ko go ahemfie ye ba obu ani ye de dynamite be hyase ye beti didim mo diska ko go ahemfie mukofo we pa Jakpa the punisher Jakpa the terminator me se sa sika na mo de akogu eye achema ahemfie ho no anansan obi ko yi bi Ofori Atta bufu ya obe change locks no ye hwe mo ho ye sere ahemfo na defend musika asem mamo ahemfo ni nyina beko jail sa achim area ho na masesa Ghana sika gogu ahemfie moje sa ahemfie de Jakpa mba ho munim Jakpa the punisher ya ye din ya hwebo ya toto nyom bi manyo bi agina ne na so e wona mo se Mahama o ye shegi ya ye din ya hwemo ye nim de ko nyina ahemfie na masesa sika gogu ho no mo de ba sa kana abion kana mosesa sika free Bank of Ghana abegu ahemfie na nsen enkwala di sika ni bi ena ohene frɛ sɛ ye me change locks na ntokwa ba ye no ye videos ni nyina ya hwɛ ne ye hwɛ mo da munyi a nipa na betam sika no ye bedi akire Ofori Atta sika gu achem. Ekufo ade musika gu ahimfie. Minim de America akire mo. Mummusa nana. Sa ahimfie na bosi ni kakraka no. Sika na mo park no, ye beba be buani. Mama ye buani a ye be drill dynamite afase. Moteto ye but didim. Say sika. Ejuma bo bia nya na adwene so afa no ho adi o. Ye hwe mo keke. Ye nim de ko system ni mo. Oh. And it's sometimes say me yen cancel me. By one ya mama kakra. Me say sa sika na ewo sa ahimfie on mu yin free ho. Munya be bia mfa nko. Mo gen say ahimfie betuma protect iska. Because now mo gen say aban sesa people will come to your homes. You thought say aban sesa people will go to your banks. Mo gen say the safest place to keep billions is ahimfie. Na sika na mo hwehwe na nya nipa na hwehwe. Ah? Mo sesa sika na free nkran. Ede abegu ahimfie ede lock ato ano enye nipa na hyehyeye buru efise na nipa video nti ayi mo jesama relax ye wie sika beguo the also Bank of Ghana ya ne say sika sa sika de ko ni nyina mo serial number ye be cancel ni nyina ye ndi biem mo jesama wie sika ma mo da ho confidence on mo jesama wie sika mo confidence mo ataban ye tumi kamasem Mona mo wie sika gogo ahimfie de police ntumi wura ho ahimfie de obi antumi maha ahimfie de e safe ahimfie e safe ro Ofori Atta eba be change locks no ahimfie sika na mo kogu wo no e safe me se sika de wa achem e wa ahimfie achem kro bi so na gu omunim omo ho Ofori Atta e na begu wo na sa ahimfie no be sika ne hye ne yanim anadwo mu start move sika no yaso ye boy se twan mo move a ye be kire Ghana bibia mo de ko ya ye din ye hwem o munim de e ba ewurade nyankopon jakpa e ba mo de mo ntena ho mo be hu ohene ne de handcuff gu ohene nsa na okọ jail me se bo se ya chi ohene bo se ya chi ahenkwa ne ya chi ohiame ne de handcuffs gu o mo nsa na mo kọ jail mo hu bi o Ghana da CNN be cover okrom ha mo beti helicopter de o beti gen warrant japa e de anim me se mo bibi da o bo se helicopter gina soro de o beti gen japa no o se warrant to search warrant 1 warrant 2 the tigers are bem dim ya be be se sani nyina be rase me se mo pa na dwe mu wuska ye ni be bia ska ne ko yeni be bia ye pe bibi ye be se bibi so eni na sa bibi de join wi na bo say crazy what town ohene no na wo store criminal money yet krom ha now mame dwudwa bibi mu nkire wa ha Haruna Idrisu akasa and mame dwudwa bibi mu nkire double track there by nyina it was because Nana do Dankwa Kufuado MPP for BAWUMIA no munim nyansa omo hu say nkora bebre ko school no e was some see more classrooms. Now Haruna Idrisu say double track no NDC share boss omo be ye frio. As we speak they have put together a committee to sit down and find solutions into what 11-member committee and omo dwuma de nyina say omo nka mutimbo munye investigations ni enyi double track ni frio. That means Haruna Idrisu wants to expand the accommodations in our schools. Haruna Idrisu, he has plans to make sure, say, e-blocks, no, he wants to finish the e-blocks. Because the only way you can get rid of a double track and is to make sure there's enough place for the kids to stay and also there are enough classrooms that they can, at the end of the day, enter to study. Into Haruna Idrisu, at the committee, about say, almost fine tunings, you know. Now, making sure, say, about way about power, no, there will be nothing like Ariane Anopa, blue, red, and green. MPP no more Jimmy. Ekufuado did not understand review. BAWUMIA never understood review. They understood review as cancel. And they are buying papaba. In the Haruna Idrisu say, a committee, or put it committee together, 11-member committee. Almost by finding the solution to a double track. And the Abenako school. On it, what is going to happen? And they say, Omunyina kwa, Omeden, Ombeba feel the same time. Time and echo essence and sanity. Yenina echo boom, near Makwaya boom. Send your bayer will be to me kobo jantra. Inti Kwame from Pomba Fia, I was here who say, so Kwame from Pomba Chimota. The same time, no, a Kobna Fosu, or also El Prempe. achemota for bafia I was at the same time no prempe for bafie and achemota bafie na a presecu school na kwabra boaten da bi ene na ma jantra na ya bebre no ene na ma galamsey na ya bebre no when the government solves the issue with free SHS and solve the issue with school accommodation, that illegal and as a galamsey na young people are now involved. The majority of them galamsey no. Omo parents him some school. Obi ha ofri tanoso. Na oko school seshi. Anase edien amansie. Obi ha ebia ofri navrongo. And oko school amansie. Akorano, it was not his intention to be part of illegal mining. Now what is happening is Akorano kwatena amansie west no. Oko hono we nya school fia ntena because oko boarding house you need exit to go out. So school no wall and down krampa. The idea say you create an invincible wall. School no upia you are cautious. Now majority of these young people involved in illegal mining no, and they are enticed because what happens in they say in Korano kwa they go rent in the communities. Now say boy no obetna community ni mua. Who say there are young boys who are not going to school omu wasika omu ko wure ma no mabanom kuteska. Now the kid will start asking, why don't I join these same boys? Because only I'm going to take the same neighborhood. Only I'm going to take a dime bakum. So they are enticed by what they see. At the age of 16, 17, 18, you are easily convinced. You are easily enticed. You easily fall to peer pressure. Into what you see outside, you are forced to join these people into the bush to become an illegal miner. Into Akrebuaha, Nema Mona Vrongo, Akraniko School, Amansia West, Akrania Galamsey, Nema Minim. Akorane ne maame fra so yama kwan yeda ho school nti maame ne tumi ready calendar no ne baba ne wa Amansia West Amansia na akorane te no ne maame ete de tano so ne maame te bepo so ne maame te ho na akorana ote Amansia young girl no ono na ote on school wakọ high dime ba ko no team chamber one room ono nipa mienu na dem nipa ono ni team no ne boyfriend area ho a sebio ono so ya gala Danam for no koba no disika ba obeni aduane ono so te no every day no what they see is what they want. These are kids at the age whereby they are interested in everything. They want everything to be easy for them. In this one girl been a tia bontine as a border. Not girl no koba or kono boy ko aduane or kono oba no kuta iPhone. That little girl who is supposed to be in boarding house and ko say osua de no she will be enticed to be following the other boys no nadamfo boys wa beda ne asha woni. Enti ne ma meti ho ne ma me se o school enso na otiamanse efie na enkwara efa ne se kraman. Now if your daughter or your son is in a confined area na odim se school no wa onima da ne papa na ne ma me beba onima da obehia ne teacher wa bontene. As far as you are border that invincible wall no ya toafa ho, so it is easy for you to even step out and stay long. Me wo boarding house you're breaking boundaries all the time. But you know what kept us coming back? We were scared outside than even being inside. The reason was that Sawa Bontinia, you don't know who you are going to meet. You could meet your headmaster. You could meet somebody who is related to the matron. You could even meet your parents' friends. So you are always eager to finish what you're doing and come back to school to stay in school. So the number of times we young men like us, we stepped out of school, it was so small because we didn't spend a lot of times outside. We spent more time in school than outside because we were always cautious. Maybe breaking boundaries. But every time I stepped out of school, upon the I am working within time to go back to school because minim say my fast and man come back. Now papa besimichi. Me uncle besimichi. And our housemaster crowd detective said I'm not on campus. I might be kicked out of boarding house. So these are things that will lower illegal mining. That's why today you see more young people involved in illegal mining. Mamika Bibincho, when you go to majority of our communities are illegal mining or galamsey wana. And Korabe Bromia galamsey they are in the senior high schools. Yeah. And all of them will tell you say we are students, but yanko school. Majority of Nkorana omo galamsey sites no omo students to schools. Because there are no rules, there are no boundaries. Into Adia Haruna Idrisu Yeno, he is basically going to take about 30% of the pressure of illegal mining and Nkora are enticed to be in. He is taking it off the streets. Where Jimmy I want to because you see, Ghana problems to Dawson. We have to be tactical and smart dealing with our problems. You cannot just sit in an office or sit in Accra and say, I've solved all the problem. the menace na illegal mining na MPP a create atono. It's going to take us years to fight it. Now, it will take intelligent, wise people to slowly dissect and pick how to solve the problems one by one. Then, when we say something like illegal mining, it's not something to fight easily. You can dismantle it slowly. You cannot just go in. Anything sometimes I'm saying, say, I buy it day. It's the NDC, I buy power. 3 months. I'm saying, wait, Jimmy. You need to dismantle free illegal mining in Ghana slowly. Because there is not a single solution to fight illegal mining. Not single solution. So guys are a single solution to fight illegal mining. You're a fool. You don't know what you are doing. You need to dismantle it slowly. And how do you dismantle it? And they say water guard about. They are doing some small part of it. That's one. Now you have to tackle the young people who are enticed. Young people in school are because of double tracking. They are enticed. They are going into illegal mining. If you are able to solve that jinx, that problem, you take it out. Then you look at another. That is how you solve this issue. So it gets to a point. Martin said the president is saying, say, opesi shemra wa obeta Otumfuo and now obeta Otumfuo bia so de galamse ebetiamra. That is how you solve it. You it's a puzzle. Actually, when Jimmy now can say MPP about NDC about power, it's a solve illegal man. You don't work like that. Into MPP for they didn't know what they were doing. They saw the problem as solving it in a day. You can't do it. And it's cool for the Jimmy can say he's putting his presidency on the line and that when you say that, that means you don't know how serious the problem is. If you know how serious the problem is, you would sit down and dismantle it one after the other. What they are doing now, they are making sure say they are attracting illegal mining. Free SHS senior high school. If you are able to solve that accommodation issue, about 30% of the problem it has been solved. Now you look at other things. Abai papa ba enyansafo ne wom. So because you say free galamsey and not illegal mining, it only happens in the forest. It starts from home before it ends up in the forest. Illegal mining, it starts from home. Illegal mining. Nobody wanted to be in that forest to do illegal mining. So it means the problem started from home. So how do you solve the problem at home? You create the jobs. How do you solve the problem at home? The kid going to school needs to be in school. How do you solve the problem at home? You need to protect the water bodies. How do you solve the problem at home? So it's a whole thing that you need intelligent people to sit and solve. It's a puzzle. It is a simple puzzle. And it's just because say, "Oh my, Sante, wakotna wun to me, galam say, I am advocating and I'm saying Jimmy." Right now, me catch them say, MPP for no, oh my, Sante mono. I told you they are going to regroup. For 8 years, did you see Omahene Kobra Sante sitting on Wuntumi Radio? No. You know why? Right now, Omahene Kobra Sante at Wuntumi Radio say he is advocating, he is trying to fight against Galamsey. You know what they are doing? Chairman Wuntumi is illegal mining. On Galamsey no. Now who Kobra Sante? What got na Chairman Wuntumi Radio so? TMU. Chairman Wuntumi yaka Galamsey or Ghana. He is Galamsey. Yatiana Chairman Wuntumi eye Galamsey betina radio so. Eyi sika free ne pa. Egugu table so. We were here, and a whole government institution releases statement that Chairman Wuntumi has gone against the law because he went into our virgin forest without the right documentations. Kwabra Sante kwasyampe ya na funu se kontwa akotena Galamsey ni radio so. What is he trying to do? The message he's sending and say they are trying to clean Chairman Wuntumi say he is not a Galamsey kingpin because abona ye penachino no otene ma mefie didi Chairman Wuntumi ena ye Galamsey ono na ase asantema asase Chairman Wuntumi nowhere in Ghana na obi anim so onye Galamsey. Now I got to Chairman Wuntumi radio to say you want to fight against Galamsey, meaning you are trying to create the impression Ashanti region said Chairman Wuntumi onye Galamsey. So Omayini Kobna Santemo no me catch them say right after election, me catch them say Sankwa Siafo we no, they are going to regroup and they are going to regroup in a manner onya smarter for 8 years MPP were power omo ya Galamsey A2. Why didn't Kwame Kobna Sante I didn't know Wuntumi go Galamsey ho asem? Ask him why. Because he knew Chairman Wuntumi was actively involved in Galamsey. Why is it that suddenly Omayini Kobna Sante is sitting on Wuntumi discussing Galamsey? Because they want to clean Wuntumi. Because Wuntumi amanisika say opeso koya regional chairman. Because now no, they know the galamsey title na won't me no. It is stinking. They want to find a way into your starting conversation with won't me radio. So won't me's platform is the one fighting galamsey. No. They are beating you. They are using their mind. That is why they are starting the conversation from Wuntumi Radio. They want to clinch Wuntumi out for the upcoming elections for him to become regional chairman. They know, say, Ghana nimse Cheba Wuntumi galamsey ni. And that alone should not allow him to lead the NPP because any galamsey no any the NPP by opposition, any the other corruption. So how do we clinch Wuntumi? Eh? Kobna Santimo mu ye yufo. Kobna Santimone Obimo, Omuye Yufuo. That is how they level. That is, they are like leeches. I'm to send some more. I'm to say they are like I'm to send Samai. They are like they you see, Kobna Santimono, they know this NDC government is not going to give them room. Suddenly, and Mr. S, can you give me the video of that idiot? So that I can complete this. I saw the video somewhere. Now I know come last Santiti Wuntumi Radio. Wuntumi Radio galamsey sika na edibiye. Wote Wuntumi so fight galamsey wabodam. Obia o Wuntumi Radio bia galamsey sika na edituanika. Every single worker of Wuntumi is galamsey man in edituanika. Every single worker of Wuntumi or Ghana galamsey sika na edituanika. Now you move from Accra to come and sit on Wuntumi or wherever it is to do what? To fight galamsey. Where you are sitting is built by galamsey money. I say, what to join news? Canada Japan cast a cocaine media, a cocaine sikadi. So you cannot go and sit on Wuntumi to tell Ghanaians to say you are fighting galamsey. The idea in say they want to use Wuntumi Radio to look like, hey, Wuntumi na fighting galamsey. Chairman Wuntumi na galamsey. Kobna Santimo come na diomo. They want to lie to Ashantifo. Omnim se mini anama Ashantifo ni biye Jimmy. Inti yan ko ne say oh, you started galamsey no operation against galamsey no. You started wo Wuntumi for 8 years. Mo ntuma started wo Wuntumi. And then I be started wo Wuntumi. Kwasi afo. Ye jirem. Now I have 4 minutes. Mr. S, good timing. This is one thing I really want to talk about. ECG. The minister wakasa me say the NPP as a political party is full of foolish people. Me say, Jandam biye niwe beye juma. Now the energy minister, John Jenapo, has spoken and so far arrest is being made. And Minister Naka, or see, yes, statistics prosecuting Kofwa. Mema Kakobia Metna Radio Sunka say the minister is persecuting people. The ministry, Mamon Kasa Ankwasi 7 because you people are telling the minister say so Achia Kronfwa on prosecute. So when people you start to say you put people before court to jail them, Mema Kakoti Anakobi Winibia Metna Wuntumi Asempa Kwasi Ampenyi Bia Metna Eyedian Joy News. To say something the government is stepping on the fundamental rights of Ghanaians. And you, Martin Pebu, everything you say, take your time and research before you speak. Sometimes you are quick to speak and it embarrasses you. It is a good advice I'm giving you. I respect you, but I think you are trying too much. Asamoba Atnase, Yedim Franklin Kujo de IGPD Yina Mana Bodam. Do you know Sir Franklin Kujo? Ghana DDEP. Do you know? But this guy is still supporting MPP's nonsense in opposition. Franklin Kujo, aunenia what to say me. DDEP by no. Nisika be 80% ni nyina share. But today he's sitting there talking about human rights and why we are not supposed to go after people. And these are people we cannot sit in Ghana and entertain. They don't know what they want. Balls they don't even know whether it is 1 or 2. These are people who know shit and they lie to you people, making you people think that they are smart. Mumusa Franklin Kujo said, how much money did he lose during the DDEP? He lost all his investment, Onika Pre. But this same person will sit there and say, the NDC is not doing this. The NDC, shut up and let the NDC work. Now, Energy Minister Wakasa, and it's got to do with that. ECG, the containers na Ayira Ewo Hifa, Ayira Ewo Temaport. 1,347 containers. Now, an Indian national has so far been picked up over the missing containers. The suspect claims they were sold to him last year. Now, and the government initiated serious investigations. Now, yachi India ni Nanya India Ninkwana Chino, Yasachi other Chinese. Now you know the funny thing, containers no. NPP for no containers and they are Chinese in India for no. Not cables no woman no or man no. It becomes so difficult to track even the content of the container. In the 1,500 and 1,300, what they were doing over time, and they say at ECG, on their system, they have their 3,000 containers at the port. You will see, say, by the time you come to the port, realistically, they don't have 3,000 containers. They have taken the containers, given it out, and on the system at ECG, it reached 3,000. And they say, oh yeah, you're smart. Now, almost system, so now, so we have 3,000 containers stacked. But when you go to ECG and you go to check for yourself, the real numbers on the ground, you will see, say, 1,500 or 1,300 have been stolen, and no NSC. Now, the minister were initiating investigations. They are on the ground and they are searching. Now, today in Kwama Chinipa almost 30. What is happening? They say, Yachi India Nibi Wajatum, or see the containers, about 40 of them, they were sold to him last year. Now, another 22 Chinese, they have been arrested. They are saying, yes, it is the ministry of Ekufuo, the MPP for no. They moved the containers and give to. Let's listen to the minister and the Ogranti interview.
The most important one has to do with the whereabouts of those containers.
Indeed.
The briefing I got this morning, and let me comment the national security operatives and the law enforcement agencies. The information I got this morning is that already they've traced about 40 of them to a particular terminal or warehouse in Tung, which belongs to an Indian man of extraction. And they've confiscated all the 40 containers, and they are moving them to a secure location. The man indicates that those containers were sold to him last year, and so that's a subject of a matter of investigation, and law enforcement agencies would ensure that the law takes its course. There are also reports of some other areas that they are picking intelligence. They will trace all of them, retrieve all the containers as soon as possible, and put the perpetrators before the courts of competent jurisdiction. Let me just sound that when we start prosecuting these people, let nobody come to say we are witch hunting. These are properties of the states. Every legitimate and legal means to ensure that we retrieve them and to hold all those behind these acts to account. And so we'll continue to work hard.
So that's the minister. Thank you, Mr. S, for reminding me. It's exactly 10 p.m. in Ghana. My financial story way. It wasn't just the Indian and then through the security agencies, normal arrest. They also arrested some Chinese. You can see 8 Chinese Ghanaian arrested over missing ECG containers. We know for a fact to say the NPP, they sold these containers, and that they were quick to go to market. Oh, and these are containers. They know what is coming. They know. Yachi Indiani, Yachi Chinese for they are getting close to about 30 or over people who have been arrested, and they are going to lead us to Napo. They are going to lead us to Napo because Napo was the energy minister. How these people got access to the containers? So what these people do, and they say, containers in the what they do is the custom officers be a committee bomu and containers in the. But when it comes to ECG under Napo on the system, it is 3,000. In Tubeko airport one na omabechi containers no ko what they do is say yi wires na ewom ni nyina na wires no eya na rubber wo ho into yi rubber na aka kopa no manane wi na the container na back. This time they were not fortunate and aban sesai into aban sesai na container na carbon they could not bring it back. All the containers that left the port in 2024, the latter part of 2024 yeba beto aba no move this container ni nyina. Right now, the Chinese, the Indian man, they have all been arrested. Indian in 40 containers in the water. This is a developing story. We know and we trust the process. Jakwa won't find him. Jakwa, the punisher. He's there. And Jakwa will follow it. Jakwa, another one has come. Arrest for me. Thank you very much, Jakwa.